Sanibonani, dumelang, absheni. Igama uSakhile Kambatha. I'm a prophet, I'm a healer. I work with Iziwasho. I help people with their spiritual problems. Welcome to my YouTube channel. To those who are new, please click the subscribe button and you'll get more updates whenever I upload a new video. Today's topic is about amakhandlela, candles, these things right here. So I want to discuss their meaning and the importance of amakhandlela. And whenever you pray or uphahla, or whenever there's a ceremony taking place, these things right here are very, very important tools for you to connect spiritually. So amakhandlela are mainly used, I'll talk about me as a prophet and me as a healer in my understanding. They are mainly used when you pray and when you phahla. So I want to focus on those things for the purpose of this video. So when you phahla and when you pray, it's a time when you connect with your ancestors and God. So candles are the necessary tools that you need to connect because they bring light and they bring spiritual connection. So as you know that there are ancestors, ingelosi, izithunywa, the different spiritual beings with whom we connect whenever we pray or phahla. So these candles actually help us connect to them. For example, I'll start with the white candle, this one right here. This candle here is mainly used when you want to have light. It brings ukhanya. In isiZulu we say ukhanya, light. Whenever you pray, you use this candle. So a white candle is used in every instance, or whenever someone does anything. You can use it when you pray or phahla. You can use it when you have a ceremony. I've seen it used at funerals, even at weddings. They use a white candle. So this one brings light. So it connects with the angel of light. Then we move on to the yellow one. The yellow candle is mainly associated with wisdom and enlightenment with regards to how you pray. For example, whenever you phahla, you want to gain wisdom on something, you want to gain knowledge, you use the yellow candle. It brings light and it enlightens you spiritually. It connects you with izithunywa zolwazi. So it gives you a deeper understanding spiritually. Then this one right here, the blue one, is mainly associated with amandla wezulu. So this one in English we can say it connects with the angels from heaven, up above the sky. So in isiZulu we call it izulu, which is the sky, phezulu. So this one represents amandla wezulu. So whenever you pray with this one, that's when you connect with the angels from heaven, from ezulwini. You connect with your ancestors who are izithunywa zakini. So whenever you pray uphahla, you are able to connect with them and they can hear your messages. So a candle just assists you in whatever you do. So it helps you to connect and for you to channel the right energies whenever you pray, because sometimes you just pray and maybe you don't have candles. I'm not saying that when you don't have candles you don't connect, but candles are just a tool to help you connect better, you know. Then we also have a red candle. That one is associated with fighting off bad energies. In isiZulu we call it ikhandlela lempi. So it mainly fights with your enemies or fights off that negative energy that you don't want. Maybe let's say you are going through a difficult period. Maybe someone is fighting you and you feel like, you know what, let me just pray for God to protect me. So the red candle can protect and give you the connection with that necessary guiding angel for you to be able to feel the connection and to connect spiritually. So I'll touch more on these candles and the different colors as we go. This is just the first episode, so stay tuned for more, and you can reach me or consult me on my number 062 738 1805 for more information. That's 062 738 1805. Stay tuned until the next one. Goodbye.